Good morning, you guys. It is day 1 of this vlog. We are currently on our way to Cape Town. Currently very frustrated by that blue airline, our national airline. When I catch them,
They are very lucky I'm in my quiet area.
and it's Kate. But yeah, welcome to our vlog.
Looking like that, waited all day just to see your face, and I can honestly say it was worth every second. I know we take it first gear slow, but I really wanna try to get to know you better. I just want a little bit more.
Slow down the pace.
Oh yeah, because there's like a lot of...
This looks like what? The N1? Come on. I said, ain't no way. The traffic away.
It's the pathway for us to get closer just a little. First time putting your lips on mine.
Right, and this is top billing. And we are here at the wine farm in Franschhoek. For those of you who don't know, you have to see it to believe it.
Yes, give us Vogue, baby. Give me Victoria's Secret model.
Oh, oh.
Cape Town. Okay. So everywhere we go, they'll be looking at us like, oh,
Tell her what I said.
I didn't fill me up, fill my cup, fill me up with your love. Say I know you've been hurt before, and I have too. I wanna redo. This is all in the past.
Remember what I said? I'm the same person. Oh my God. My God. Like, it just doesn't mean to be unsafe. You know?
Oh no! Guys, this bird is gonna die. And I think I'm at saving grace. No.
don't keep my phone.
Wait, guys. You cannot leave me here. Ah! Wait, let's help us. Let's help us.
No! You go!
It's right there by the kitchen. Guys, I don't want to hold it. Should I hold it?
The Chinese are hot bird, boy. When you touch them, the family is gonna disown it. When you put it very light. Oh, yeah, fully understood. Oh, open that side.
Guys, it's fluid so nicely. And here, gosh. You guys, we just tried making bacon and sausage. You can't see the bacon because it's one with the pan now. And our Airbnb is smoky. Smoky. It is day. It's the next day after we landed, so day 2. Today, I don't know what we're doing today, but we're gonna try grab breakfast. It's 1 p.m. It's 1 p.m. But somewhere in the world, get 9 a.m. So we're gonna go try grab breakfast, and then after that, we're just basically going with the flow. Last night we went out. Anyway, this is my outfit of the day. I hope you guys can see everything. And I think I want to pair it with these shades. I was about to say you guys will let me know, but by the time I drop this vlog, it would have been done. Catch up with you guys later.
Back it up. Come too close, you can touch. Got what I need, it's enough. Yeah. I know we've had it rough. Can't stay.
Oh, I wanted to tell them yesterday what happened last night. Should I? Okay, I won't tell you the details, but last night we went to 4 locations because when you're in Rome,
Do what the Romans
do. So we went to Drama. We actually didn't go to Drama, but we were there. Then we went to Souk. Then we went to Coco. Then we went to Sneaker Cartel. Then we ended up at the one. That sounds like more than 4 locations to me. I don't know about you guys. I'm as genius.
My problem was, why do you have a picture of the alcohol you have in your house?
Bro, that's what I'm questioning now.
And like what? You've got 4 champagnes, what must happen?
Of course, left my mic. What? What's going on?
Trying to find out now.
Do we have? You don't look sure. I might get stuck. Okay, we'll see. Just give it a try. What's up, guys? New nails. New day vlog. It is New Year's Eve, and today we are going to therapy, and then we're going to the beach. After the beach, we're gonna relax and then have dinner with the rents. After that, we're going out because standard procedure for New Year's Eve. The next day is New Year's Day, so we just need to be merry. Catch up with you guys. Cousin slash niece slash friend slash sister.
Period. Subscribe, like, share with with your grand, your uncle, your auntie, your boyfriend, your
Period.
side piece, all of them, okay?
Guys, happy new year. I feel very bad because the last time I saw you guys was definitely at the beach. That's terrible because that was last year. It is the 2nd of January, meaning I didn't record yesterday. Just had a riot. Patricia Black's place. Today we are going to a restaurant and I'm going kayaking. I just came to say hi and give you an update. I've been terrible. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Good morning, you guys. We are now in Franschhoek. We slept out yesterday. I didn't record the drive. Don't know why. But anyways, we do have a photo shoot today. It is our shoot day, and I can't wait to just see what we create, what photos we take. We're at the farm now, and we're just probably gonna use the horses and like the vineyard area. But yeah, it's been such a beautiful trip. After the shoot, we're going to the airport to go back to Johannesburg. I am sad and excited at the same time because so much is waiting for us in Johannesburg. It is a new year, new vibes, new excitement. But I'm also sad to be leaving the Western Cape. Very sad. My camera battery died, so I am vlogging with